So Talha, Fatima. Talha is you already know about it, I believe, because this is name of a male person, right? Talha. Similarly, Fatima, it's a name of some female, name of girl. So these are these words. Okay, we see two more. Zainabun, Hindun. These are female words, but they have their different case. Fine, they have different case, different shape. These are also female words. Hubla, Hamra, Hubla, Hamra. These are different cases, different types of words. So what they did, they categorized them and they kept such like each types of each form, each shape of muannas in different forms, in different types. Talha, Fatima, Zainab, Hind, Habla, Hubla, Hamra, Sauda, yeah, Khadra, Hamra, Sauda, black, red lady, black, or like that. Anyway, so yeah, now this such types of female, they say since they have their symbol. Fine, see, round ta is symbol. There are symbols of it's these. Fine, we see. So symbol round ta in the end. Fine, round ta in the end, it's symbol of female noun, female plus noun. It's a female word as well as it's a name of something. Fine, name of someone or something, name of someone. So it has its symbol. Fine, and here they don't have they have symbol, but these such nouns, they don't have symbols. Zainab, this is a word, but it does not have a symbol. Fine, Hindun, this is a female. This is word for female, but it does not have symbol. They are without symbol. So where they have symbols, they say this is lafzi, muannas lafzi. Remember the point, muannas lafzi, because lafz mean word. It's wording. The symbol is in wording. Here, when there is no symbol, Zainabun, Hindun, these words, they are actually word is not female. Fine, meaning is female. Word is male, by the way. Because why word is not female? Because there is no symbol of female. Fine, female has 2-3 symbols. We will see right now what are the symbols. So there is no symbol, but word is used as female. So in this case, they say let's call them Manavi, Muannas Manavi, because they give meaning of female, but themselves they are basically not female. Fine, not Muannas. Female, it's lafzi, muannas lafzi, but it no this case muannas lafzi, but there are also now female words that do not have symbols, but they give uh, uh, meaning of female. So they say let's call it manavi, lafzi manavi, muannas lafzi, muannas manavi. Okay, here